Saturday morning. Oh, oh. I'm about to get to work. You about to get to work? He put me to work on this good Saturday. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to plait hair so that the base is flat. But before I get to it, we're going to wash his hair real good. In this clip, I wanted to show you guys how I pre-section the hair so it's easier to manage at the shampoo bowl. Ain't that crazy? Oh, your baby brother. Okay, so after I get a good lather, I use a shampoo brush to simply detangle each section one at a time. Clean.
It feels so clean.
Nice.
Feel a little breeze through my head.
I love how our hair shrink up. Now, in this clip, I just want y'all to watch what we're about to learn in the next clip. So I'm not going to explain too much because I'll do all of the explaining in the next clip. I just kind of want you to see what it is that I'm going to be teaching you. This is hair grease. There are over 600 strains of marijuana in the state. And this is Shan Jam, the one in the yellow container. Even though Jesse was killed 4 miles away from Joe's neighborhood. Even though they sell a totally different strain of weed over there. What do you say? I don't know. Jesse and Joey knew each other. Or they bought weed from the same dealer. Or somebody planted Joey's weed in Jesse's car. Either way, these two cases are connected. You think Joey Campbell and Jesse Carr were working together? Selling marijuana? They have a business like that, so the sheriff's office would just stuff it out. All we do know is both these cases are connected. Both these boys are dead. And it feels like a police cover-up. Open up a case on Joey Campbell. I want to know more. I want to know how he and Jesse were linked. Yes, sir. Do you need extra support on this? It's a delicate situation. We think it's in the best interest of the case if just the two of us handle it. That's your wish. Keep me posted. And good work. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, huge, right? Yeah, so. Justice calls, I answer. I thought maybe it was because you wanted to make things right. Make what right? You know, the night you shot that kid? If your TO yells kind of, that's on him, not you. Not your fault. I don't know if I'm trying to make it right or not. But I think about that kid every day. Okay, so after we get our section parted out, we're going to take some shine gel and put it on our pre-part. Just so we can get a nice clean part. Make sure no stray hairs is in your way. Now we're going to grease the inside of the plait. That is Blue Magic hair grease. And we're going to take some more shine jam and put it on the inside of the plait as well. It's going to help it slick. Now you want to put enough shine gel on your part so that when you comb it, the hair kind of like stay in place. You want it to slick together. You see how it's laying flat already? Start at the bottom of the plait and comb the gel through. I'm just getting that excess hair out of my way. But you want to make sure that the hair is combed straight. And then you can slick it down with the back of the comb. You can hold the hair that you just slicked down with your index finger to keep it in place. And then you're going to smooth out the top of the plait. Do y'all see how flat the base is? That's what we're going to be learning in this video. How to get the base of your plait super flat. Split your plait into 3 equal sections. We're going to use our ring finger and our middle finger to move the right section out of the way. But we're going to keep the right section in between the thumb and the pointer. Lift the middle section with your left hand to get it out of the way. Take your right hand and pinch the left side from top to bottom, making sure it's smooth. Now with the middle section, we're going to smooth it out, but we're going to use it to hold down the left section so we can pinch the right from top to bottom. So we're going to do it again. Take the middle section so we can hold down the right side while we pinch the left side.
Joey's death was a direct deal on that. 2 boys lost their lives. Both allegedly had drugs on them. One is being portrayed as a student with bright future. It's brings me to a tough question, Alicia. We're just learning now that Jesse's toxicology report shows he's also an
Period.
One arm.
Give me your account.
Where you go?
Yeah.
Hey, iPhone, man.
When y'all gonna buy me one?